Alright, so I had a customer that wanted me to machine and bend some parts out of 1/4 inch aluminum. Ideally, the bending should be done on a brake press, but I don't have one of those. And the order is only for a few parts, so even though this isn't the most efficient way to do it, I can get it done and I can make my customer happy. So what I did was I took some of my hard jaws that have the V cutouts in them, and I used one of those as my hard stop to hold some round bar stock to bend against. And then I made a movable jaw with an extended pusher on it. And then to make sure that I bent them in the right spot on the parts, I used my spindle to stop against. So when I bent both of the angles on this part, I bent it most of the way, but not all the way. And then once I got the two angles on it, I just kept creeping up on the angles and double checking everything to make sure that I got the parts bent at the right angles and the right height. And once I got all that done, these parts were done and shipped. Yeah, sometimes when you're doing some job shop work, you don't always wind up doing it the best way possible, but you wind up doing it a way that gets it done and makes a customer happy, and that's what matters. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one and take it easy.